Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to recover TikTok account banned. To start, open your internet browser. On your internet browser, search for Support TikTok or go directly to the link that says support.tiktok.com. On the search bar, search for account banned. In here, scroll down until you see Please Send Report here highlighted in blue. Then in here, all you need to do is to input your contact information. First, input your email address binded to your TikTok account, and then your username of your TikTok account. In here, select topic and then click on account ban or suspension. On tell us more, select banned account. And then on how can we help, input your statement over here as how you are having problems with your TikTok account. Go ahead, take your time in typing, or you can wait for me to finish typing and then you can copy what I'm writing here. Once done, scroll down, then select the button that says Submit. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.